Insulation testing is a critical process in maintaining electrical safety and efficiency. It involves measuring the resistance of insulation materials that protect electrical conductors. This testing is essential because it helps identify any weaknesses or failures in the insulation, which could lead to dangerous situations such as electrical shocks or fires. By conducting insulation tests, technicians ensure that electrical systems operate without risk of unnecessary energy loss or hazardous malfunctions. The primary goal of insulation testing is to detect any current leakage that may occur due to insulation failure. When electricity travels through conductors, it ideally remains within the defined path. However, if the insulation becomes compromised, some of this current can escape, posing significant safety risks. Moreover, insulation resistance testing not only identifies existing issues, but also assesses the overall condition and expected lifespan of electrical insulation. This proactive approach helps prevent potential damage and ensures the reliability of electrical equipment over time. Insulation failures can lead to a variety of problems. The most alarming consequences include electric shocks, which can cause serious injuries or even fatalities. Additionally, insulation breakdown can result in burn injuries or, in worst cases, fire accidents that threaten lives and property. Interruptions to plant operations may also occur if key electrical components fail, leading to costly downtime and production delays. Therefore, conducting regular insulation testing is crucial for mitigating these risks and maintaining a safe working environment. Determining what constitutes good insulation is another vital aspect of this process. Most electrical systems in industrial settings utilize insulation to ensure that current flows only through the intended pathways. Common insulating materials can withstand normal operating conditions and help manage small leakage currents. However, no insulation is infallible. Factors like excessive vibration, temperature fluctuations, and exposure to substances like dirt, oil, humidity, and corrosive vapors can all contribute to insulation degradation over time. Recognizing these challenges is vital for implementing effective maintenance strategies. In conclusion, insulation testing emerges as an indispensable procedure in the realm of electrical engineering. By understanding its significance, the potential hazards of insulation failure, and the factors that influence insulation quality, businesses and technicians can take essential steps toward ensuring safety, efficiency, and longevity in their electrical systems. Regular and thorough insulation testing is not just a precaution, it is a fundamental practice to safeguard people and equipment alike. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content